Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel and thank you very much for tuning in. For those that are here for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe, and for those that have been here from the beginning, thank you very much. I appreciate you guys. And don't forget to like, share and comment. So basically on today's video I'm going to be talking about hair that I bought from AliExpress. I got it from a vendor called Isee hair. So let's get right into it. I'm basically going to be talking about the overall experience with the company, with the customer service, and then also tell you what I think about the hair. So just a disclaimer guys, I'm not paid for this video. I wasn't sent free hair or anything down those lines. This is just an honest review. Okay, so this hair is Mongolian Kinky curly. I have 3 bundles. So it's 222 inches and 120, and then the closure is a 14-inch closure. The one thing that I love about this hair is the volume. The hair has volume for days. Okay, so if you like hair that looks full, I would recommend this hair for you. And the curls, oh my gosh, the curls are amazing, and it is so soft. I know it looks all big and full, but as a matter of fact, the hair is very soft and it is very light. Okay, let me show you guys how long the hair is. Okay, let me show you this side. Okay, it's just right, oh my gosh, I'm so short. It's just right by my waist. Those are the ends. So when I received the hair, the first thing that I did, and that's what I do to all my hair, the first thing that I did was co-wash the hair, just to check the hair, just to wash off all the impurities, all the chemicals, anything that they've added to the hair. I just wanted to wash it off. I deep conditioned this hair. I did a video on how I co-washed this hair. I'll link it down below for you guys to check it out. So when I deep conditioned the hair, I wanted to see its natural texture. So I combed the hair, I brushed the hair, and the shedding was minimal. And another thing that I noticed and that I was happy about, the hair did not have any brown residue, none whatsoever. So after co-washing the hair and stuff, I did the IV flip over method. So I threw the hair in, but I had to take it off after 2 days because it was just too tight. It was too tight and I couldn't sleep properly. I was just having problems with it, and decided, you know what, the best thing to do with this hair is to actually make it a unit. And that's exactly what I did. So I got a closure for it and then I made it a unit. Does the hair tangle? The answer to that is yes. The hair does tangle at the back though, only the nape area. So the nape area tangles, but not so much. So it does need a bit of love, so you need to give the nape area extra love. Does the hair mat? No, it doesn't. I won't lie and say it mats. It doesn't. It just does not mat. It does tangle a bit, only at the back, but it does not mat. In terms of maintenance, what I use to maintain this hair is conditioner and H2O. Yeah, conditioner and water. And then if I want my curls to be too defined, then this is what I use. Yeah. So on the days where I want my hair to be too defined, I used my curl defining lotion. Customer service, I believe it was the best. I spoke to a lady by the name of Angie. I have a lot of questions. I ask a lot of questions. Before I take out my money and buy something, I make sure that I ask a whole lot of questions. Yeah, that's just me. So, and another thing is I didn't want to pay with my card, so I wanted to pay via PayPal, and the lady actually helped me with that. So with the customer service that I got from Angie, it was quite good and I was happy with it. The shipping as well, I got the hair in less than a week, and by the way, I'm in South Africa, so I think that is quite good. And she kept me up to date about the shipping, about everything that there was for me to know about the shipping and the hair. Okay, so what I can say is after having this hair for almost 7 months, the hair is good quality, and I would recommend this hair. Honestly, I would. It's so nice. It's nice and soft. The curls are amazing, not hard to maintain. Everything is just the best with this hair. So I believe that this hair was worth every cent that I paid, and the cherry on top is the hair is very reasonable. Okay guys, that's the end of my video. Thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and comment. So guys, please give this video a massive thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I'd really appreciate your support. Click the subscribe button, click the bell button for notifications. And if you'd like me to share with you my curly hair routine, please let me know on the comment boxes down below. Love you, love you, love you.